Process of the screen. Good day, everyone. Before I start this speech, I would like to give my fullest gratitude to our volunteers, Goddess of Beauty, Madam Belinda Fortune, for the great time that she exerted teaching us and providing our needs in making speech. How could such a sad word as goodbye start with the word good? Life isn't easy, right? We are all survivors. According to Meet Rose Belinda Bago back in 2009, sa dami-dami ng sperm na lumalabas, isa lang ang mag-init sa Excel at makabubuo ng susling. Kayo yon, tayo yon. Champion kayo. It was a simple statement but means a lot for me. It was twice past afternoon. I was feeling dizzy and start yawning. It feels like my body needs rest because I am busy managing my files for the past week when my BlackBerry phone rang. It was a phone call from my dear classmate Francis Austin Diaz telling me that we and Monetizon were going to Boracay to attend their seminar as part of their job as accountants. They are working with the same bank. Francis told me that we both ticket at General Milara's ticketing office at Ninoy Aquino International Airport, where Bernal Jack works as flight attendant. He also told me that he saw our friend Lloyd Renton as their pilot. Then we bid goodbye, and good luck to each other. The next day when I woke up, I started my morning routine by tuning into the daily morning news while eating my breakfast. It was the premiere telecast of the new morning show, and I was surprised that it was hosted by my high school best friend Sandra Lorraine Pilato, together with her hubby MJ Nati. They are having an interview with the Asian sensation Ms. Jade Baul as she takes the Polish National Opera in Warsaw, considering that theater as the largest in the world. Jade Baul was rumored to have her marriage with her longtime boyfriend, Richard de la Festa. Then I switched the channel to watch out for Ms. Marian Joy Balatay, who will represent our country to the most prestigious Miss Universe, but I was late, and she was crowned as the new title holder. She was rumored to follow Venus' career as the GMA station, Kapuso, revealed that they have an offer to Marian to play the role of Machete. I opened my email account and received a message from Helen Imperial. She was inviting us to witness the opening of her anime cosplay studio besides Pamela Vital's high-class resto bar at Bacolod. I also read daily updates regarding fashion and showbiz in the internet. I saw Noemi Lape as the leading international supermodel and Jane Arian Serrada as the new owner of the publishing company of Living Shop magazine. Then I dressed up and decided to go to my work. I rode on the jeepney. I passed my fare to the person beside me, and it was Maynard Astro. I don't know why he's crying until he told me that he is unmarried, and he is still waiting for my friend Rita. He also told me that he is now a great repairman. Then I left the jeepney and decided to go to the nearby department store to buy something to eat before going to work. While I'm walking along pathway, I saw billboards of Daffy Luba Gabuli Park. Business boomed so fast for the past year. Then I entered the mall and find a fast food chain to buy something to eat. As I passed along the bookstore, my eyes were captivated by a magazine. I saw Pauline Tañedo y Best Colorado. I grabbed one copy and bought it. Then I scanned the pages and am happy to see Eliza Agra as the editor-in-chief. We also had articles about cooking in Just 10 Minutes. There are also beauty tips from Micah Valencia Bacayo and fashion tips from FHM hottest cover girl Tara Aquino. I have fun reading. Suddenly, a bunch of people hurried in. I wonder why, and I was surprised to see Fraulein Sadness book signing. She just launched a new book entitled Justice League Lucas Life. A story that will never, ever end. Aside from her best-selling book, Julian Fiore Ruano, An Endless Love. While walking in the mall, my focus was lost hearing one familiar song. I hurriedly went to the second floor and saw a newly created music bar. It is Singing Frolic. I went inside and saw my dramatic co-officer and a good friend of mine, Rica Angela, Tito, managing the city store of the best-selling album by John Paul Lord entitled Lord Dance Sing Right. It was his 18th album, and Rika told me that John Paul made it to the Grammy Awards in Hollywood for Best Solo Performance. Rika gave me one copy and told me that our classmate, Marilyn Alam, has his debut album too. It's entitled Lucky I'm in Love with My Best Friend. Ranked number 3 at the best-selling album of the year. I was about to leave the store, but one poster caught my attention. It was a comedy bar named Canadol. Celebrating its 5th year anniversary. Obviously, it was founded by my good friend / businessmate, Jamaica Marie Mercado. Rika told me that the buildings there were created by engineer Dan Morales and engineer Jerome Riva. I rode on the back. I was about to sleep, but my eyes kept believe that Abigail Malabanan, it was a television flagging for her first movie entitled Banana. And she might over to that show, flagging her social side name, Personified. When I was on my work as a European languages professor at the LaSalle University Bangalore, I saw all of my co-officers watching face-to-face in the faculty. It's funny to see Maria Victoria Valatuban and Nazareno Mateo having their quarrel in the show. Jerome Carmel is the resident psychology trainer, and Jeremy Moralitat is the newest spiritual advisor. I didn't waste my time in the show because I have lots to do. I get my laptop and check my email. My eyes were get too big seeing an article. Sergeant Caliban and Sala saved Aklan, Antique, and Capital. I checked my email now. That elegant sent me a message. Asking me if I am alright. I replied that I'm fine and doing well. By the way, John Elegant is a head nurse in Canada right now. Then, my phone rang again. The loud buzzing of the phone woke me up, and I found myself lying on the floor with my class pictures on my hand and stuff scattered around me. Then I realized that it was all just delusion. I answered the phone, and it was Marian Solis telling me to prepare for my graduation. They're all coming to fetch me and proceed to the surroundings. And that was my dream. Art before. I never knew that in a nick of time, I will slow the prospect of our lives. The time will come that dreams will turn into reality. Our alma mater will give us clear view towards our future. A future that is either with one of you or alone with you. You and I will meet again when we're least expecting it. One day, in some far-off place, I will recognize your face. I won't say goodbye, my friend, for you and I will meet Goodbyes are not forever. Goodbyes are not the end. They simply mean, I will surely miss you. Until we meet again. See you soon, my beloved friends and classmates. As a hero solid, now signing off.